children, now guess who said it and to whom. Look, here's something for you. Matilda's husband said to Matilda, I would rather not go to the party. Matilda said to her husband, Choose, my dear. Madame Forestier said to Matilda, You have nothing else? Matilda said to Madame Forestier, Would you lend me this, just this? Matilda said to Madame Forestier, What? How? That's impossible. Matilda's husband said to Matilda, Good job, children. So, children, tell me a few lines about what Matilda had and what she dreamt about. Matilda was a pretty and charming girl, but she was married to a minor official. She dressed plainly because she had never been able to afford anything better. She dreamed of a grand palatial mansion with vast rooms and inviting smaller rooms perfumed for afternoon chats with close friends. Good children, now prepare a formal invitation using the format given. So who will start? Ma'am, I will. Okay. Mr. and Mrs. Bhandare solicit or request the pleasure of your company on the occasion of the wedding of their son. On Monday, 28th 11/2017. Venue, Maratha Hall, Vashi. Time, 11 to 1 p.m. Please come with your family and bless our son and his wife. Very good, Rohit. Do you know what a deter means? Words that are used at the beginning of a noun phrase are known as determinants. Example, read the phrases. The necklace, an error, all these things, another woman, one evening, her husband. In all these phrases, we see some words used before the nouns. They specify or make it clear what noun we are talking about. Determiners include articles like a, an, the, possessive pronouns like my, our, your, her, etc. Words like this, that, much, many, all, and numbers. With this, we come to the end of the first part of the lesson.